having a long drive from Amman to Petra. So it's around 200 plus kilometers ride. And we have here gas station, no? So this desert gas station. From the direction going there is Amman, no? So this long stretch of highway going there is Petra station. So we just had our short break here, no? And we're renting, no, this Nissan Sunny car from Payless, which we took from Alea Airport in Amman. Yung feedback lang dito, the CR is not very clean, no? It's a Jordanian convenience store. So this is the favorite parang place ng mga motorists, no, mga truck drivers. And we have here 2 passengers.
Ay, kabayan.
Hi.
Saan ba ikaw ba driver namin? Ikaw ba ang designated driver namin?
Let us ask their mga opinion nila.
Are you the designated driver?
Anong tingin nyo? So far naman yung car was performing well, no, except lang kanina na bumalik na naman yung pindot-pindot niya. No, I think hindi, but it's yung problem namin sa rent-a-car na to is yung blinking sound, but you have to close it down, no? Close it. Yan. Then open it. Nawala nga talaga. Okay.